tayo sa Serendra Aston Tower. So checking the foreclosed on the unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclosed Hub. So let's go and check this out. So this is the unit, 85 square meters, 2 bedrooms with parking, and around 26.3 million. So this is the bedroom 1, facing city view. And may view din siya ng Laguna de Bay and Antipolo or Marikina Valley. Then meron tayong common bathroom. And this is the primary or the master's bedroom. So corner or end unit. That's why we have windows on both sides. So same view, city view, and then meron tayong built-in cabinets, and ensuite bathroom. So this is available in cash or at least 20% spot down payment and then 80% balance through in-house and bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. Submission of offers first come first serve basis, and this is as is where is. So balcony niya, ayan. May view siya ng Market, SM Aura, ayan. City view, and kitang-kita nyo rin yung Laguna de Bay, ayun. That's the main door, and then ito yung kitchen niya. Over and under cabinets. And then meron din tayong laundry area dito. And ano to? Storage or servants' quarter. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. Again, this is a 2-bedroom condo unit with parking, 85 square meters. Here at Serendra Aston Tower, 29th floor, BGC. Malapit lang tayo sa High Street, SM Aura, and Market.